Well, hello everyone. This is a recording on how to install Visual Basic for this course. So you can see over on the left I'm on the course syllabus. Then once on the course syllabus, I can scroll down, and these directions are from the course as it's set up, and I'll click right here. Now this says Visual Studio 2008, but that's no longer available. So please watch the steps that I'm going through. So I click that link and it takes me to this page. Well, we don't want Express 12. We want to go to Download, 2012 Downloads, and I'll show you where this takes you. And then we want to do Visual Studio 2010 Express. And then we go down here where it says Visual Basic 2010 Express. Hit that plus sign, scroll down, and this is where we actually want to download. But once we're here, we go ahead and hit install now. And then we hit run, at least on my computer. Yours may operate slightly different. So you can see that it's installing. It's going to take a few minutes to do this install. I haven't had confirmation from the K-12 people who coordinate these classes, but I asked them if 2010 is the one we should use since 28 is not available. So I'll get confirmation on that, but I'm pretty sure this will work fine. So now we're welcome to the setup. Hit next. Do you agree to all this? Yes, I have read. Then hit next. It's going to install all these things. So I'll hit install. Now it's working through this, and as it's doing it, one thing I want to say, if you see right here, it says after installation you can try this for up to 30 days, then you must register after 30 days. So you'll be able to run it fine for 30 days, and then probably like at the 25th day, whenever you log into it or access it, you might get a message that says, hey, you have to register. And that's just going to be you're going in and putting in your email address, your name, and things like that. So it'll be okay to register it. You'll still be able to use it as a free product. So just keep that in mind, that this doesn't last forever without registering it. And unfortunately, we need to have it for more than 30 days. If we needed it just for 30 days, then it would have worked out perfectly. So this is still downloading. You can see the download process. So your computer will go through the same thing. And even though you're just sitting here watching this download, I want to walk you through this whole process. And the tricky thing about this is I haven't installed this on my machine yet, so I'm not sure exactly what this will do. That's the problem with installing software. If I had gone in and installed it as practice first, then I would have had to uninstall and then reinstall to demo it for you. So hopefully this this first installation is going to work out fine. So a few more minutes here as it downloads. Now, the nice thing about this, using this newer version, the 2010 version, even though it's not their latest version, it's still 2010. The Visual Basic 2010 Express is very similar to 2008 that we were told to use, but it has some upgrades to make things easier. Whereas the 2012, 2013 versions, they're really not the same Visual Basic as the course has set up. So if we had downloaded the latest ones, 2012 or 2013, then the screen captures from the course and the directions and things would not have worked very well. So that's why we're going to give it a shot with this version 2010 Express. Another 30 seconds or so here. like watching paint dry, isn't it? Or watching grass grow. Okay, almost there. Hopefully there are no errors. So it downloaded, now it's going through the install. And this might take a little bit longer. Let's see what happens here. Now you see everything that this needs to install. If I just scroll down this list, so it installs VC10 runtime, Microsoft.NET framework, so you can see everything that goes into a programming language. Look at all this that it needs to have. Visual Studio 2010 tools for SQL Server. Now, a lot of these things don't pertain to us because we're not going to be uploading our programs on servers, but we still need to have a lot of these tools because the Visual Basic program looks for those tools when you do programming. So even though we're not going to do everything that it's capable of doing, we're just doing some pretty basic, simple programming, still need to install the whole package. I'm going to go ahead and pause this, and then I'll pick it up again as it gets towards the end so you don't have to sit here and watch it go through all 13. Okay, you can see that it's finally worked through the 13th component and installed that. Okay, it's been installed successfully. We can download the latest service packs. Not going to worry about that. So then I'll just hit exit. So it's been installed, and now it's ready to run. So I'll put together a video on running it, but that's the process to get Visual Basic 2010 Express installed, which is what we use for this course. So thanks for watching this. I hope it helps you out. Bye.